We're in Arvada, Colorado in the GEOS neighborhood looking at homes by Dreamfinders. GEOS is a really cool neighborhood. You may not have ever heard of it because it's kind of hidden and off the beaten track, but it's really cool. Few things about GEOS. They build their homes with environmentally friendly building in mind. So if that's you, this might be the place to come look. They have a tap house at the entrance of the community, a great place for neighbors and friends to gather. And we're right next to a really nice long trail. So if you like to hike or bike, that's a great feature too. They're building single family homes and multifamily homes out here. Right now, we are in one of their urban row homes. Let's check it out. So as you come inside, you can see you come right into your main living space. Right over here, we find dining. Nice window looking out towards the front of the home, and coming over this way, we're into the kitchen. They got a couple chairs pulled up through the island here. I think you could do 3, sink and dishwasher in the island. Not a ton of countertop space, but with the island, I think you'll be okay. Back over this way, you're gonna find the powder bath. A great big pantry. That's really nice. And your great room space. If you take a little walk down this way, you're gonna walk by a coat closet and your back door entrance, a little place to get settled over there too. All right, that does it for the main floor. We're gonna head on upstairs. All right, when I reach the top of the stairs, the very first thing I come to are these double doors that lead into your laundry area. Heading back this way, you're gonna find a secondary bathroom, a linen closet, and a secondary bedroom. Facing out towards the front of the home, some nice big windows in there. And if we walk this way, back past the stairs, we find the primary suite. Nice sized bedroom. Walk-in closet. And into the primary bath, as you can see, nice long double sink vanity here, toilet, and shower. The basement is finished, so let's head down. Okay, welcome to the basement. So make a right when I come down from the stairs. The first thing you're gonna find is a nice little bathroom here. And it does open up into this nice bonus space, whether you have it as a movie area or maybe a workout room. Nice little space over here. We find a secondary bedroom. There's lots of doors down here. These 2 doors lead to your furnace and water here. This is some under the stairs storage. And back this way, you'll find another bedroom. 2 bedrooms down here. My name is Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. We are in Arvada in the GEOS neighborhood looking at homes by Dreamfinders. If you are interested in these homes, definitely give me a call. I'd love to meet you out here, see if these are the right homes for you. And if not, help you find that right home. I specialize in new built home sales. I do resale, but boy, do I do a lot of new built homes. I'd love to walk by your side through the build process and save you just a little bit of money with my closing cost credit. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my home tours. Thanks for joining me today and have a wonderful day.